So first you must open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after opening this MS Word you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see this number lock key. You must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see that on the left side of the space bar there is an Alt key. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time you must type in this area here, you must type 8268. After typing 8268 you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been arrived in our computer. So this is a Leftwards Bullet symbol. So this symbol we have created using this keyboard shortcut method. For more videos like this you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.